Hey everyone, this is Jack Miller from Jack's Digital Ventures and welcome to my stan.store review. So on today's agenda we're going to cover, is it a scam, how does it work, is it worth buying, and are there better alternatives? Make sure to stay to the end because you have all the information you need to make an informed decision, plus I also have a special free gift for you. Okay, so who am I and why should you listen to me? So my name is Jack Miller and I've been working from home and making money online for the past 4 years. A while back, I was hit with some nasty health complications, and that was the turning point that made me look for ways to make money online. In my struggles, I tried various business models. Some of them worked, and some of them did not. But luckily for me, I was able to make enough money to support myself and my medical expenses. All from just a laptop and an internet connection. I was so inspired by my experience that I decided to start Jack's Digital Ventures. So, if you like videos about making money online, then feel free to hit that subscribe button to see more content in the future. But just a quick disclaimer, I am not an affiliate. That means I don't receive any money from this program or anyone related to the program for making this video, nor do I make money if anyone purchases the course as a result of this video. It's just my honest opinion, so I'll strive to give you a balanced and honest review so you can make the most informed decision possible for yourself. Okay, so what is a stan.store? So it's a link in bio tool. This online tool allows you to host your social media links, products, and services all from one easily accessible link that you can put in your bio on Instagram, TikTok, and more. It was created by a man named John Hugh. John got his start as a budding TikTok content creator. He found it difficult to monetize his content and start a business, so this inspired him to create Stan. He wanted to create a solution that would automate business tasks so content creators could focus solely on making content. Okay, so how does the program work? So first, you're going to join the program. You first sign up for a monthly subscription to the program, and first-time users get a 14-day free trial. Then you're going to create your store. You'll create an online store populated with your social media links, products, services, and anything else you'd like your customers to see. Then you're going to make social media content. You'll create social media content for Instagram, TikTok, or any other social media platforms. Then people check out your store. So after viewing your content, curious people go to your bio and click on your stan.store link. Then you make money, so customers come to your online store and buy the products you're selling, meaning you make money. Alright, so how much does it cost? At the time of this review, Stan is $29 per month, and they also include a 14-day free trial for first-time users. Is it a scam? And I would say the program does not appear to be a scam. Many of my mentors use Stan, along with other popular social media influencers. They also include a free trial, which is a good sign as well. Okay, so let's go over the good. One thing I like about stan.store is it's very affordable. Yeah, so $29 per month. It's not zero. Free would be best, of course, but $29 per month isn't too bad, and I think most people out there could afford that. It's very user friendly. Yeah, you just go in, plug in your links, and it's very easy to use, very pleasing to look at. I like the interface. No coding required, so maybe you're not very good at coding, maybe you don't like to think programmatically or mathematically. Well, good news, you don't have to if you use this. It's very user friendly. Okay, let's go over the bad. So subscription costs can eat into profits, so $29 isn't too bad, but that's still going to take away from the profits you could potentially be making, so that's something to mention there. It's not as good as using a funnel. So if you're not familiar with what a funnel is, in marketing terms, it's a pathway that can lead your customers and introduce them to your products. So what that usually looks like, it's like a landing page where customers can go to put in their email, and once they give you their email, they usually get like a freebie, like a free book or a free course, something like that. And then as time goes on, they get put into an email sequence where they're introduced to your products. And I feel like that's better because with a Stan store, a customer can come into your Stan store, buy something once and then leave, and then you may not ever see them again. But with a funnel, you can continuously talk to them as long as they stay, as long as they agree to keep receiving emails from you. So you could potentially have them be a customer 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, even 5 times maybe. Also, if you're depending on Stan store, you're also dependent on Stan store running properly. So maybe you're running your Instagram and TikTok, things are going smoothly. Maybe the Stan store goes down for like a day or two. Who knows? Anything could happen, but yeah, if your business is reliant on Stan store, you're also reliant on it running properly, and accidents and things like that can happen. Okay, so what's the final verdict? I would say not a bad tool at all. If you're an Instagram or TikTok creator and you're looking for a link in bio tool to set up your online store, then you'd probably like Stan. If you're just looking for an effective way to make money online, however, there are better programs out there. So are there faster, easier, and more effective ways to make money? Are there any other alternatives? And I would say yes. Let me introduce you to high-ticket affiliate marketing. So it's a business model where you sell other people's products for $1,000 or higher. What I like about it is there's no need to create your own product, no need to handle customer service, no need to keep stock, no need to hire staff. You can do this part-time or full-time. You can work from anywhere in the world. There's very low startup costs. You can work anytime you want. You can use this to quit your miserable 9-to-5 job. You can create passive income for yourself. And most importantly, you can create time and financial freedom to do all the things in life that you love. So that sounds great. So how can you get started? You can get started by using my free gift. And that free gift, it's a free online course. You can get my free online course from the link in the pinned comment below, and it'll teach you everything you need to get started. Okay, thank you so much. I'm Jack Miller from Jack's Digital Ventures. This has been my Stan store review presentation. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want more future content, and don't forget about the free gift in the pinned comment below. But everyone, thank you for watching. You take care. Have a great day.